Hello dear viewer, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how to make intro animated text like this. So let's jump to the Premiere Pro. Select the ellipse tool and draw a circle here. Then click here Align to Center. Click on Select Tool and click here on Second Track, then select Type Tool and type your text. Click on Select Tool and bring it to center also, by clicking here. And then adjust the text size. And here I will write one more text, let's say Premiere Pro tutorial. And bring it to center and also adjust the size of this text. And bring this two-layer little forward to right. So now go to the effect and type wipe effect and select the clock wipe and apply here. Click on timeline scale and hit enter for preview. Select a circle mask and draw here, and adjust the mask size. And mask feather bring to 0. Move the playhead for 1 second to forward and make a keyframe for position. And now move the text position into the up. Right-click on first keyframe, click on the ease out, and for second keyframe click on ease in. And now select the second title and do same procedure. Select the first text and note the keyframe position, then again select the second text layer. And make keyframe, and now bring the text to the bottom. Also those keyframes set to ease out and ease in. And now see the result. So now select all the track and then press right click and click on Nest. And now we will add one more effect. Bring the playhead, let's say here, and make a keyframe for the scale. And move the playhead to the forward and increase the scale. Set the first keyframe ease in and for second keyframe ease out. And now we will add the video in the timeline. And now see the final result. I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe and share. See you in next video.